Good afternoon, this is Ryan Steele at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Today I'm going to walk you through our 2018 Sea Ray 350 SLX outboard. Starting from the stern, this boat does have triple 300 Verados. They are joystick powered. And then right here is a great aft facing seat. So when you're out at the sandbar, you can relax back here. There is some shade coverage by the Sure Shade that'll come out and cover you while you're seated here. This boat is available in an IO or an outboard. In 2017 they came out with the outboard version and it's been very popular, especially with the extra motor for all the speed. Here you'll see it does have twin Raymarine screens. You've got a very clean dash, digital throttles, your joystick. This is the Series 2 joystick that has all of the buttons on one area. Moving forward, you have a great expansive bow area. There is seating for at least 18 people on board. This boat is located here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. My name is Ryan Steele. You can reach me at 954-529-0020. Thank you.